We're going to continue on day 2 with the exponents. There are practice problems for you, and these are going to be the video answers to the practice problems in case you have any questions on any of them. So for the first one, we see that they're being multiplied, so we're going to multiply our numbers, but then add our exponents. So we have 45a to the 10th power. Alright, so for this next one, we see a negative exponent, so we are going to remember to take the reciprocal. So it's going to be 1 over yx to the second power. And then we have to make sure we multiply our exponents. So then we have 1 over y to the second, x to the second. Alright, here's the next one. So this is the same as the last step on the previous one. We need to multiply our exponents to the power. So we have 3 to the 4th and x to the 20th. 3 to the 4th is 81. We multiplied 3 4 times. Alright, so this one we see division. We're going to divide the numbers, but then with the exponents, when we see division, we subtract. So 10 minus 2 is 8. And then when we divide our numbers, we have the 2 on the bottom. So y to the 8 over 2. Alright, here's the next one. Same idea. We're going to divide the exponents, but then, or divide the numbers and then subtract the exponents. When we subtract the exponents, you'll see we get a negative value. Well, we want the negative value to be positive, so we're going to keep it in the denominator because there are more y's on the bottom than on the top, right? There's 14 y's on the bottom compared to 8 y's on the top, so we want to keep the y's on the bottom, and they're going to stay there to keep it positive. So we have 1 over 3 y to the 6th power. Alright, oops, here's the next one. This is power to a power, so we're going to multiply all of the exponents with 2. So 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, and 1 times 2 is 2 again. So now if we simplify, we have 9 because 3 squared is 9 and 4 squared is 16. Alright, so here we see that 0 exponent. We talked about this yesterday. Anything to the 0 power is going to end up being 1. So here is 2 and the y are raised to the first power, so we're going to multiply. So now it's going to be 2 to the 0 times y to the 0. This is going to be 1, and so is this. So it's going to equal 1 altogether. Alright, so here we see negative exponent. So we're going to take the reciprocal. And so we have b to the over 1 to the 3rd power. B over 1 is the same thing as just b, so I'm going to rewrite it. And then we want to make sure we multiply our exponents, so it's b to the 3rd. Okay, so for 9 and 10, we have to fill in the blanks, and we have to justify why we used the numbers we did. So here I'm trying to get 5, and we see division. So when variables are divided, then we remember we have to subtract exponents, and we subtract exponents. So there are multiple different options. We just need one combination when we subtract numbers to get to 5. So I'm going to pick 6 and 1, right? 6 minus 1 is 5. You can do, and here's like another example, you could have done 8 and 3, because 8 minus 3 is also 5. To do one more, you could do 10 and 5. 10 minus 5 is also 5. Alright. Number 10, we see power raised to a power, so when variables are raised to a power, then we multiply the exponents. So in this case, we can have any combination that multiplies to 15. So I'm going to pick 3 and 5, because we know 3 times 5 is 15. You can also pick 1 and 15. And then any other that multiplies to 15. You can even use double negatives. Alright, so those are the answers to the questions. If you want to rewatch the video, you can to go back to see a specific question, and then the key will be posted on Canvas under your teacher's page. Thanks for watching.